Hey everybody, Jay here from BMW. Today I want to show you how to track your BMW order once you place one with the dealership. If you place it with me, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to track your BMW order. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to bmwusa.com and we're going to click My BMW. Once we're there, it's going to ask you to create an account. If you already have an account, go ahead and log on. And then we're going to click on My Garage. Once we're there, it will show you your current vehicles. But what we need to do for the purpose of this video is to track a vehicle. So we're going to hit Track My BMW. And right here, it's going to ask you to add a vehicle. So we're going to click that. Now, more than likely, your dealership is going to give you what is called a production number. You may already have a VIN number, but for the purpose of this video, again, we're going to use a production number, which is what you're more than likely to have. If you have your VIN number, paste it on this box. If you don't, click on this link, and it's going to ask you for the 7-digit production number. So I'm going to go ahead and paste mine, and I'm going to hit next. So there you go. It's asking me this is the correct vehicle. I'm going to hit Add Vehicle. And there you go. It has added it to My Garage. So now I can go to this link and hit Track Status. And there you go. So now it will give me a up-to-date status of what's going on with my vehicle, all the way from when it was first ordered and the order was received to where production begins, and every assembly step during the way. Now, the one difference is there's going to be a little bit of a gap here. So right here, when it's at the port, it's in Germany. Between here and here, you can't track its exact location. Your dealership can, but you can't. There's a way around that during your order. Now, once your vehicle leaves Germany, it will be assigned to a ship. Your salesperson can tell you the name of that ship, and then you can go to various different websites that let you track maritime movement and see where your vehicle is at any time, because that the ship that contains your vehicle, you'll be able to track. Now, once it gets to the port in the US, depending on where you live, it can take anywhere from a couple of days to a couple of weeks for the vehicle to arrive at its final destination. So there you have it. That is how you track a BMW using the My Garage feature on bmwusa.com. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.